Starter.
Hello everyone, myself Suhail. I'm introducing the topic about of COA. My topic is finding of a factorial of a small number. Let me do the introduction. The factorial of a number is a fundamental concept in mathematics and computer science. It is detailed as the product of all positive integers less than or equal to a given number n and is denoted by n1. Factorial are used in various areas such as permutations, combinations, probability, and algorithm. Designed for small numbers, the tutorial can be easily calculated using simple, iterative, or recursive methods in programming. Let us know about the objectives. To understand the concept of the mathematical definition of a factorial, to learn how to compute the factorial of a small number using a programming approach, to develop problem solving skills using control structures like OOPS or recursion. To verify the correctness of the factorial, calculating through samples. Let us know about the program now. Let's start with the program. Factorial program scenario. Number 05H register. Store factorial at 86H. Algorithm. Initialize memory pointer to read number from 85H. Load the number into a register. Check it to numbers is 0 or 101H. Initialize another register, say B as counter is equals to 1. Loop. Multiply A is equals to A into B. Decrement B. Repeat until B is equals to 1. Store the result from A to 86H. Then last stop. Next will be continued by one of my friend Gururaj. Thank you.
Starter.
My name is Gururaj. I am explaining program 2 of the finding greatest pair of number. Program 2 is a loop explanation. Task use JNZ and DCR. Algorithm initialize counter say register with the number of retention n. Start loop perform that desired operation like addition, delay, etc. Decrement counter using DCRC. Check it counter is 0. It not 0. Jump back to the loop. Start using JNZ. It 0 exit and end the program. The assembly code is MVS C05H loop counter with B of C is equal to 0. Loop is in NUP operation do nothing arrange task. DCR decrement and then said loop if the C is not equal to 0 jump to loop. H stop program. And I will give explanation. The first step is instruction MVI of 05H. The description is load 5 into register C and the loop label marking start and NUI to actual operation. DC case decrement C. J and Z loop is jump back into 0 and HLT stop execution C is equal to 0.
Hello everyone. Now I am going to explain program 3 sequence diagram algorithm memory register flow. Start. Load the first operand from memory address A into register R1. Load the register operand from memory address B into R2. Add contents of R1 and R2. Store result in R3. Store the contents of R3 into memory address C. And next assembly code. Program add two memory values and store result. Memory address A is equal to 1000H, B is equal to 1002H, C is equal to 1004H. Move AX 1000H load value from memory A into X register. Move BX 1002H load value from memory B into X register. Add AX and BX. AX is equal to X plus BX. Move 1004. AX store result from A into memory C. HLT stop program. Next explanation. Memory register move AX 1000H. Memory register move BX 1002H. Register C. Add AX BX. Register memory move 1004H AX.
My name is Prithvi. I am explaining the program 4. Explain accumulator using task multiply with the accumulator. First I will be explaining the algorithm. Load multiplier and multiplicand into register. Second is a clear accumulator A is equal to 00H. And repeat the addition of the multipland and to accumulator to the multiplier count. Fourth on the decrease multiplier each time. Fifth stop when multiplier is equal to 0. And the final result. Next is the assembly code. Multiply two a number using the accumulator and multiplicand in register B and multiplicator in a register C, and result is the accumulator A, MVIB 05H load multiplicand and MVIC 03H load multiplier and MVIA 00H clear accumulator, and looping will be going to start ADD B A is equal to AB and J and Z loop repeat until C is equal to 0. Result now in accumulator A is HLT stop, and next is a explanation. The accumulator is used to accumulate the partial sums like running total, and the ADB instruction adds the multiplicand to A, and the DCRC instruction decrement the multiplier, and the J and Z repeats the addition until multiplier is equal to 0. Next will be the sequence diagram, how the start and the stop will going to happen. Next is the output, and next will be the line memory address, machine code, source code. Everything is explained earlier, and the final expected output will be the input, decimal, expected output, and final is a conclusion. A tutorial of the small number can be calculated efficiently using the either relative methods through this access, and understand how the functional from the importance and the deleting will going to happen on the algorithm, fully computer and the total small rumors and the helps, basically programming and the mathematical logic. References are like https www.html